How to fix audio cutting out on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix audio cutting out on your Discord app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to assure that you have the stable internet connection on your device. So for that, you'll have to open the settings. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to go to the option Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Alright, so simply from here you can confirm that your internet connection is stable or not. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section you'll have to go to the option iPhone storage. So for that you'll have to tap on this general option. Alright, so simply from here tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go to the option Discord. So simply you have to find the app Discord. Alright, so simply after you find it, you'll have to just tap on it. Alright, so from this interface you'll have to go to the option upload app. Alright, tap on upload app. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the reinstall app again. Alright, so after you done this procedure, you'll be able to fix the audio cutting out on your Discord app. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.